Are you looking for fun, exciting, and healthy ways to spend time with your friends? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into 25 awesome activities that will not only make you feel great, but also bring you closer to the people you care about. So let's get started and level up your social life with these epic ideas. First up, we have karaoke night. Grab the mic, sing your favorite songs, and unleash your inner performer. It's a great way to let loose, laugh, and bond with friends, all while enjoying some good music. Next, how about a scavenger hunt? Get your team together and race to find cool items or complete fun challenges. It'll get you moving, thinking, and working together, all while exploring the world around you. How about a board game marathon? Choose your favorite games, gather your crew, and let the friendly competition begin. It's a fun way to get your mind working while connecting with those around you. Want something laid back but still full of fun? A picnic in the park is the perfect way to enjoy good food and nature. Pack your favorite snacks, bring a blanket, and take in the fresh air while hanging with friends. Let's spice things up with a DIY pizza party. Everyone loves pizza, but making your own with creative toppings makes it even more fun. It's healthy, interactive, and a perfect way to bond while making something delicious. Feeling adventurous? Challenge yourselves in an escape room. It's all about teamwork, problem solving, and working together under pressure. Plus, it's a great way to test your skills and have a blast. Need to unplug? Go on A. Whether you're roasting marshmallows by the fire, stargazing, or hiking during the day, camping is an unforgettable way to recharge and enjoy the great outdoors. Gather your friends, grab some drinks, and get creative. It's relaxing, fun, and the perfect way to explore your inner artist. Explore your local area, create themes, and snap some epic pics. It's a great way to stay active while expressing your creativity. Who doesn't love a good cooking or baking challenge? Compete with your friends to make the tastiest dish or dessert. You can keep it healthy and creative while enjoying some laughs along the way. Here's a classic for you, bowling. It's a fun social activity that gets you moving and laughing. Try to get a strike and enjoy some friendly competition with your friends. Need some speed? Try go-karting. It's an adrenaline rush that'll get your heart pumping, and you'll have a blast racing your friends around the track. Put your knowledge to the test with trivia night. Whether it's general knowledge or themed trivia, it's a great way to challenge your mind and have a fun time with your crew. How about some sports? Whether it's basketball, soccer, or any team game, playing sports is a great way to stay active and work together while having a blast. If you're looking for a cool experience, try ice skating. Whether you're gliding gracefully or laughing at your spills, it's a fun and energetic way to spend time with friends. Head to On. Ride roller coasters, play games, and create lasting memories with your friends while getting a healthy dose of excitement. Let's get active and competitive with. It's an exciting and energy-filled way to enjoy the night, run around, and have some friendly fun. Bounce into Fun Within. It's the ultimate way to get your energy out, jump around, and have fun with friends in a high-energy environment. Need some relaxation? Treat yourself to a DIY spa day with your friends. Facials, manicures, and a little self-care are great ways to unwind and bond together. How about experiencing live music together? Attend a concert or live show and let the music fuel your excitement while making memories with friends. And finally, give back by volunteering together. Whether it's cleaning up a park or helping a local cause, volunteering is a meaningful and healthy way to spend time with friends. There you have it, 25 fun, healthy, and exciting activities to try with your friends. Not only will you be making unforgettable memories, but you'll also be staying active and living your best life. So get out there, have fun, and make the most of your time with the people who matter most. Remember, life is about enjoying the journey and making every moment count. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Until next time, stay happy, healthy, and full of excitement.